my assistant, Addison, which will be helping me with this fun science experiment, which is going to be a lava lamp, and it's going to be really cool. Yeah. So what we'll be using is cups, of course, food colorings, green, red, yellow, and blue, and a special tablet, pure oil, and water, and a spoon. So, shall we start, Miss Addison?
Can I go first?
Yes, you can go first.
You
So-
need to do it for me.
So, wait, let's get the food coloring out of the way. First, we are gonna pour water, like, about, like, right here, not too much. So, that much. Then, we need to pick the color, Addison, any color, but I'm using red. I picked red.
Blue.
Blue.
Wow.
Okay, so Miss Addison picked blue. I'm only gonna do 3 dots. Very little dots. You have to be very careful. That's pretty much all we need, which was not 3 dots. I did it very bigly because I'm not that good at that. Now we need to stir it with the spoon.
Can I do it?
You want to do a little bit? God, it looks so cool. It's like a blue sea. Okay, I think that's all we need, Miss Addison. Now we are gonna pour this pure oil. There we go. A little bit more than we did to the water. So. This much, about this much, yeah. Which is like definitely more than the water, but yeah. Now we are gonna put the secret special pill.
Okay, you want to do it?
Can you do it? Can you do the more, Ernest? 3, 2, 1.
Let's see, guys.
Now it's going and it's gonna fizz. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but we are patient. Now it's just fizzling. So you can see the little pellet, like that's a little thing that's fizzing, and now it's gonna make it all fizzly, and it's gonna be like floating and stuff like that. It's gonna be really cool. I like the little thing. It's kind of like turning green because of the. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Now it's like making little chicken eggs.
Yeah.
It's like floating up. That's what happened with the lava. But it looks really cool. Ooh.
But what'll be good of?
And look at the top, it's fizzing up.
Wow!
Wow, that looks so cool.
Look at the bottom. It looks like chicken eggs.
It looks like a whirlpool. It's like a whole thing. Family. Wow, it's a mess in there. It's so bubbly. Oh, you can kind of like see the little things. Now we're gonna move on to the next color because we've already done blue. So we're gonna get blue out of the side. And we are gonna do red because I picked red. Okay. We're gonna put the water to about how much we put there. That's about enough. Now we have to put that much oil. Oh yes, we need to put the coloring. I totally forgot. Okay. There you go. Oh, my hands are getting messy. That should be enough.
Wait, mine is turning orange.
Yeah, hers is kind of like turning orange. I don't know why. Blue and yellow don't make orange, but whatever. Now we are going to use the magical spoon.
I want to do it.
Oh, you can do it next time for yours, okay? Looks like blood. Now, we need to put the oil. Wait, let's put that.
You need to give me the red.
Now we're going to put the oil. I almost forgot that I put the oil almost before the water. Okay, so about...
Did I just hear
That's
someone
enough.
tummy rumble? I think there was, I don't know. Yeah.
Now we're going to put the magic pill. I got it. I caught it.
Wow!
I got it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think this is gonna look fun because it's like yellow and. Wow. I wonder what it's gonna look like when it's like yellow, because yellow and yellow, it'd probably be like really funny. Oh, it's just so weird. It's just so satisfying.
Kennedy, the hammock top.
Yeah. It's like your own lava lamp. And you can just make it out of water, oil, and food coloring. It's so cool.
This is so boring.
I guess the making is a bit funner than looking at it. I think it's cool. Oh, now it's just going like all fizzy. You can't really see it though, but it is still cool. I might have added a little bit too much food coloring. Yes. Addison has stopped fizzing. It's kind of like a yellow bunch. Mine is still fizzing because it's new. But it stops fizzing after a while, but it's a really cool experiment. Oh, it's actually still kind of fizzing.
Oh boy.
Addison, what do you think the green one's gonna look like?
I don't know. I think it's gonna look like the bottle.
This bottle right here. Should we move on to the next one?
Yeah.
Should we move on to your ones next?
Please.
Okay, let's move the ones that are already done over here so that people can see it. Okay, which color should we do? Yellow or green? Okay, let's do. Okay, first we need to put the water. Okay, let me just move this aside. What are you doing? Okay, about that much water should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine.
I think it would
Now we need to put the food coloring.
work.
You can do the mixing, madame.
Yeah.
After I'm done with this. Okay. I wonder what the green will look like because yellow and green. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. Looks very green.
Very greenish. I wish I
Kind of looks like Shrek. Not really a Shrek, but like, yeah. Madame, spoon.
Thank you. Kennedy has rented it.
And this will be the last one. I did green because like Finati go and I don't know.
Yeah, like nature.
But this will be the last one. The other ones are still really cool. I like this one a lot. I think that's enough, Queen Addison. Mrs. Addison. Now we are gonna put.
You call me pumpkin pie.
Okay, I'll call you Pumpkin Pie Addison.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh wait, okay, yeah, got it. Okay, so now we put the oil.
You almost use the whole thing.
We have ran out of oil.
If Kennedy went to the shop.
I just went to the shop and bought some oil. Okay, let's see. How can I open this? Wait, how do I even open this? Okay, there we go. Only need a little bit more.
I think that's enough.
Enough? Yeah, that's probably enough. I think I put a little bit too much, but that's okay. Okay, now we need to put the final. Madame, will you take the pet pumpkin stove?
I
Here.
can't. Don't even you bought too much.
3, 2, 1. Don't do it too high. Okay, yeah, whatever. Wow. Looking at this is so cool.
Bonk.
It kind of looks like chocolate in a moldy sewer. I might have added a little bit of oil, but I wonder what it looks like. It'll probably be more.
Bread.
Wow. This is the funnest part. The funnest part is when it goes like this.
The board watched it.
Let's make a song. The thing is fizzing. The lava lamp is fizzing, which is super cool. Oh my gosh, it looks so fizzy on the top.
Oh my goodness.
The lava lamp is super fizzy. We love them all.
Kennedy?
We love them all.
Kennedy, I could have gone red, but
Yeah, you got blue. But I think blue still looks nice, even though it turned yellow.
It looks like pink. Pink is
like a
blue.
pinkish
Pinkish
bluish
blue.
Wow!
Okay, so that's cool. There's actually still a pen room. So here is all 3 of the things we've done. We
I thought we
used.
were gonna make 4.
No, we didn't. We used green, blue, and red. Addison, which one do you like most? Do you like the red one, the blue one, or the green one?
I do like the red one.
I like the red one because it looks so like lavally. But I also like this blue one. I added a little bit too much on this one. And the little, wait. This thing is still on there. But I like all of them too. But that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like the video,
And like this one.
and turn those post notifications so you know when we post a new video. I hope you liked the science experiment. Bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye!